Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class. Subject is mathematics and the topic is cuboid and cube and their edges, vertices and the faces. Already we know about the cuboid and the cube. Now about their edges, vertices and the faces, that counting related we are going to see in this subtopics. Okay, the shapes of objects, or we can say these are the 3D objects. Okay, in the daily uses, matchbox, bricks, tables, cupboards, or container means that is a cartoons box. Okay, or we can say the truck means bus or trucks are called cuboid shapes. Okay, so this is very important information for you understanding and observations. Okay, so elements in a cuboid are as follows. So in this one, what are the elements means that are the there are the some elements which are the surfaces means these surfaces. Okay, like this one, like in last lecture also we have seen there are the total 6 surfaces. So this is a front surface, this is a 1, this is a top surface, this is a 2, then behind this is a 3, and then from the bottom this is a 4th, then this side means 5th, and this side is the 6th. So there are the total 6 surfaces. Then what, how many edges are there? Now this is a 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, then 1 2 3 and 4, and then 1 2 3 and 4. So means 4 4 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, so is the 12. So means 12 edges and vertices. So how many vertices? So this is 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 and 4. So 4 plus 4, there are the 8 vertices. So shape of surfaces is rectangular or square. So here some shapes might be square or some square might be rectangular, but this is a cuboid means there is a possibly there are the minimum 2 or 4 are the rectangular. Okay, might be 2 surfaces are squares. Okay, so these are the shape of the surfaces, we can say, means out of the 6 surfaces there are the rectangular or we can say the square, but all not a square. So if there is a all square, then that will be the cube. Okay, but there is a possibly all can be rectangular. Okay, so now what is the cubes element? So in a cuboid we have already seen. Now these are in all the sides of the, this is the cube. Okay, so this is the cube all equal then is called a cubes, means all the surfaces are squares, not a rectangular. If any surface means out of the 6 surfaces, already we have count in the last cuboids, there are the total 6 faces. Now here also the 6 faces means this is the top one. Okay, now this is a side one, so this is 1 2. Now this face means looking from this side, so this is a 3. Okay, from the bottom side or behind side, this is a 4th, and this is a front side, this is a 5th, and from the bottom side this is a 6th. Okay, you take a matchbox or anything, surfaces you can count, that is the 6 surfaces, and all having the squares. Okay, in the shapes. Then edges, so same like a cuboid, so there are also the 12 edges means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then 10 11 and 12. So 12 edges. Then vertices are 8, same like a cuboid, so this is 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 and 4 means 8. 4 plus 4 is the 8 vertices. Okay, these are the elements. So on this basis there are the some questions are there. So question number 1, which of the following objects is not cuboid? Not cuboid, huh? So matchbox is a cuboid, brick also cuboid, soap bar also somewhat be cuboid, and chalk piece is a somewhat be we can say circular and in a like this shape. Okay, so this is a chalk piece. Okay, so this is not a cuboid. Okay, so that's why option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 2, how many vertices are there in adjoining figure? So how many vertices? This is a cube, and already we know how many vertices for the cuboid there is a 8. So option number 3 is the correct one. How many edges are there in cuboid? So this information already we know. How many edges? There are the 12. So means option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 4, how many square surfaces are there in cube? So how many surfaces are there? That already we have seen. For the cube there are the 6 surfaces, all are the squares. So 6 means option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 5, how many vertices are cuboid has? So cuboid has the how many vertices? So in cuboid how many vertices? So that is a 8. So means option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 6, the surface of a cube is the surface of the cube. Cube means all are the squares. So means option number 4 is the correct. Then question number 7. A cuboid has dash 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 surfaces means how many? So as per the options, we can say there is a number is mentioned means there are the 6 surfaces means number we have to give means option number 3 is a 6 correct. And then question number 8. By which number is the number of edges is greater or lesser than number of vertices of cuboid? So how many edges and how many vertices and how many edges are greater in number, only in number wise, okay? So in a cuboid, there are the edges are 12, okay, and vertices, there is asking about the vertices. So these are the 12 edges and the 8 vertices. So how many are there greater in this number? Only numbering. So 12 minus 8 is a 4 means greater than 4 or greater by 4. Greater by 4 means option number 2 is a correct one. Question number 9. Surfaces opposite to the surface ADHE. Now ADHE means this side, okay, from the left side. Okay, we can observe this one. So opposite of this one means this one means BCGF. BCGF means option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 10. Which of the following figure is a cuboid? Is a cuboid. Now this is a conical surface, this is a only the two dimensional, okay, or we can say the parallelogram, and this is a circle, okay, but the cuboid is only the option number 4 is the cuboid. So option number 4 is the correct one. Thank you.